In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock funds on Trust Wallet. So if your funds are blocked or unavailable in Trust Wallet, the solution depends on why they're blocked. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to check the pending transaction. Now this is the most common issue. So if a send, swap, or transfer is stuck as pending, your funds are temporarily locked until the transaction confirms or fails. And this is usually caused by network congestion or low gas fees. So in that instance, what you want to do is you want to look at the pending transaction. So you want to go ahead and press over here in this like clock icon. So yeah, you're able to see your transaction. And if you notice that the transaction says pending and stuff like that, then that is likely the issue. And you may need to view it on the blockchain explorer. And in that situation, the only thing you can really do is just wait for confirmation, or if it is supported by your network, you can replace or cancel the transaction with a higher fee. So that is certainly something you're able to do. So sometimes crypto can get a little bit weird. Sometimes it might say that the transaction is going to take like 2 minutes. However, sometimes it can end up taking like 15 or even 20 minutes, sometimes even a couple hours. Once again, that is due to a significant amount of congestion and stuff like that. So most of the times, the only thing you really need to do is just wait it out. So sometimes funds can be locked in staking. If you recently unstaked crypto such as DOT, Solana, Atom, etc., the funds may be in an unbonding period and cannot be moved until the network releases them. Some networks require additional withdraw unbond step after the waiting period. So you always want to keep that in mind. But most of the time, the only thing you really need to do is wait it out. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.